Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. This video is gonna be about corgi toy, a Rolls-Royce. We have a Rolls-Royce corniche, yes. It is I think you can see here it is made in China. So yeah, we're gonna do this one. It came out with in a job lot, so we're gonna try to do this one. We have a bent pillar here, bend roof. We're gonna try to fix this one as well. I don't know if you can see it. Is bended right here and right here. So otherwise, yeah, it's pretty much there. The front grille missing, bumpers are there, front and back. Interior look like it's all there. Screen as well, it does have a couple of cracks in it. We might just give it a good polish and clean, and that's it. But yeah, otherwise it's there. The trunk is over there. We got engine bay as well, with a little bit of details. We can do a little bit of details on the engine. But yeah, this is what we're gonna work on. I'm gonna try to do the roof, the bended pillar here, this side as well, and we will try to replicate the front grille as well. Obviously, again, my friend JB Welder, he will help me with replicating parts. So yeah, let me just get the rivets out and get inside and see what we find out in, and I'll come back to you in a minute. Right, here we go guys. We drill the rivets. Let's see what we get inside, what we have in here. We have a metal base. We got the back bumper, front bumper. We got the interior, needs a good clean. Dashboard with a little bit of sticker over there. Windscreen is out. Yeah, unfortunately the cracks, they are very bad. But yeah, we're gonna give it a good clean. Our engine part, let's see. Is it? It will come out. Something, it does hold it here. It might be just this. There you go. That's the engine part. And now comes out the rest. So the bonnet is not coming out. Doors will stay as they are. The boot as well. And I don't know about the lights. Look like they're not rivet in, so they might just come up just like that. But yeah, we do have a rivet over here, so that one have to come out, and then the lights and the grill will come out. Well, whatever is left from the grill. So yeah, we're just gonna strip this one, and then we start to do the bended parts, and we'll come back on this one later on, guys. So most probably I'm just gonna come back to you once it's ready painted, and or probably after I fix the dented roof and pillars, and then we'll see where we're going with. So we'll see you later, guys. Hello and welcome back. Here we go. We finished with our Rolls-Royce. Came back with the final product. We did replicate the front grille. I just used a bit of a piece of JB welder, and that's it. It's there. It's not missing anymore. I did straighten up the pillars. It didn't go quite well with the roof in here. If you can see, I don't know if you can see it, still have a little bit of dent in it, but it's not too bad. I can live with that. The screen, I just clean it, still have the little cracks on it, but it's still alright. Sorry about that. A little bit of details on it, and yeah, it's all there. Everything is there, all good inside, nice and clean. A little bit of details in the engine bay as well. Don't know if you can see. So yeah, that's all about our Rolls-Royce. As I said, it is a made in China one, but looks nice. Still looks alright. It's in one piece. Nice and shiny and clean. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you didn't by now, and please come back for more videos. More videos will come. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.